We'll guide you through how to fix Discord not opening. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my computer, and I'm finding when I try and open up Discord, nothing happens and it won't open. So we've got some different fixes you can try. Make sure it's this full video, as hopefully one of them will go and work for you. So to get started, you need to come to the bottom of your computer. There you'll go and find the search, and you want to go and click on it. And for this first method, go and type in Task Manager, like so. Now it should go and open up. Go to the left and go and press Processes, and you want to go to the top where you can search, and you can go and type in Discord, like so. Now if you see any open processes here, select it, and you want to go and press End Task. If there are multiple, go and repeat that, and we can come and close out of Task Manager for now, and try opening it up. Go and see if it will then work, hopefully it will. If you're finding it still won't, don't worry. For the next fix, what you need to do is come back to Task Manager. I'll press search at the bottom and go and type it in. Then you can go and press search at the top, and you need to go and type in Discord like this, go and select it and press End Task. Now what you can do is you can go and press search at the bottom, and you want to go and type in run, and you can go and click here. Then in the bottom right here, you need to go and type in percentage app data percentage, like so, and go and press OK. Your file explorer should open into the app data folder. And what we need to do is go and scroll down, and you need to go and find Discord, double click on it. Now you want to go and delete some different folders. So you want to go and right click on cache, and you can press delete. Then you want to go and right click on code cache, press delete. Then you want to right click on GPU cache, and you can then go and press delete. Now that they're deleted, you can close this. Don't worry, those are just temporary folders, and clearing them is clearing the cache, and that can often go and fix problems. Now you can try running Discord again. It may take a little bit long to start as it's got to regenerate, and go and see if that solves it. Hopefully it does. If you still find that it doesn't, what you need to do is come to the bottom, and you want to press the Windows button or press search. Go and type in settings like this. Go over to the left, and you want to go and find apps. Then at the top, you can go and press installed apps. And here you can go and press search again at the top. Just wait for it to load. And you want to go and type in Discord like so. Then you can go over to the right and press the three dots, and you can go and press uninstall. Go and confirm the decision. Go and wait, it shouldn't go and take too long. You can then go and close out of settings like so. And what you want to do is go and open a web browser. Go and search for Discord. So uninstalling and reinstalling it can often solve the problem. So on discord.com, you can press download for Windows. Then you can wait for it to download. You need to go and open up your file explorer, go to the left and find downloads, and you can then run discord setup.exe. Shortly, it should go and open up, and it will go and start installing. Be patient while this goes and runs. Here we are, it's now launching, and hopefully now you've managed to go and get back into Discord, and it's now working. If you found this useful and you want to see more how-tos like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more useful how-tos and fixes.